I'm Pencil Shark, and if you're excited to learn watercolor and realism, you are in the right place. I'm excited to share with you the things that have actually worked for me so that you can focus on the fun of creating. Before you go, I want to share with you 2 mindsets that have helped me to learn watercolor super fast. I started watercolor just 6 months ago, and I really think these 2 mindsets are what has helped me grow so fast. Mindset number 1, mistakes are your best teacher. I'm not afraid to make mistakes, as long as I learn from them. And I've made plenty of mistakes, which I'll share with you so that you don't have to. But even if you do make mistakes, it's not the end of the world. It's actually really necessary to speed up the growth. I've only had to rip my papers like 2 times to realize I gotta use different tape, or I have to take it off the pad differently. Those are painful experiences, but as long as you learn from them, you don't have to make those mistakes again. Number 2, and I didn't make this up, I heard this from another artist. If you can master watercolor, you can master anything. I have told myself that over the last 6 months. The reason why I think that mindset is so helpful is because it tells me every time I go to do another watercolor painting that this is going to be challenging. I don't expect it to be a piece of cake. And because I expect it to be challenging, I'm able to keep going when I hit those challenges. So, if you can master watercolor, you can master anything. Thank you for stopping by. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.